Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Windows 11 PC is activated with Microsoft or not, right? Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So here's how you check if your Windows is activated, guys. Right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and simple click on settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to click on system and you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find activation. So click on that. Now here at the top, you will see if your Windows is activated or not, right? So as you can see, I have a Windows 11 Pro and the activation state is active. So that means that I have an active license for my Windows 11 Pro. And if I would like to change, for example, my activation key, all I have to do, just simple click and change, and you'll receive a pop-up and you can easily go ahead and change that activation key. So if you want to know if your Windows is activated or not, this is how you check it, guys. Really easy. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.